Hey YouTube, Red Mono Review here with you with the Victorinox Super Tinker. The Super Tinker is 3.5 inches long. It's got a multiple set of tools. It has a large blade, a small blade, scissors, toothpick, reamer, keyring, tweezers, multi-purpose hook, parcel carrier, and a Phillips screwdriver. Stainless steel blades and a lifetime warranty. Right here we've got the large blade, small blade, bottle opener, can opener, scissors, Phillips, carrying hook, and awl. This has been a really great knife for me. I've had it for about 15 years. This is another great knife. Get your Scout. Will last forever. It's a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. Just to give you some idea of how sharp this thing is, this thing still shaves hair. So it's got a super sharp blade on it. Razor sharp. You can see I've used the snot out of it. I've been carrying it as my EDC for the last week. This is the Victorinox Super Tinker. If you're looking for a great EDC knife, this may be for you. This knife retails for $44.50, which is a great deal. Considering this knife will last you a lifetime, this is a knife you can pass down to your kids and grandkids. So, once again, it's the Victorinox Super Tinker. What a great knife. Thanks for watching.